Hi guys, ngayon pupunta tayo sa isang birthday party ng kaibigan. So it's more like double date. Siya vlogger din, so magko-collab kami, no? Ngayon pipick up namin. Ayan guys, on the way na tayo. Malapit na tayo sa bahay ng isang kaibigan namin. Medyo foggy kasi tumaas ng temperature, kaya ganito ngayon. So yeah, ito pa naman, tolerable lang ang kalsada. Mayroon pa ng visibility. So yan, nandito tayo sa bahay nila. Malapit na, nasa bahay. Ayun. Mag-u-turn na lang tayo. So you know guys, yung si si Simply Shine LV. Diba? Sabi ko sa inyo, may collab kami. So,
hello!
Yeah. Diba?
My birthday! Happy birthday!
Birthday today. So, yeah. Double date.
Double date.
Alright. Punta tayo sa restaurant. Yan na rin natin mamaya. Re-rate natin kung anong maganda yung restaurant na yan. So, see you guys later.
Restaurant gagi. We're just right on time.
This is where I got the haircut sometimes.
Oh, this is a cute place. Some waterfront, no?
Thank you.
Saan
Pearl.
magpa-park?
Where's the...
Pilates.
Oh, so...
Asan na?
It's weekend, so walang bayad ng park.
Kung baka ito. Ayan.
Is it that one?
Where's the water?
Let's go to the lake house.
Ayan, no?
590.
water, yeah. So,
Dito tayo
so
pwede
then
tayo
parking.
dito.
Ewan ko baka doon.
Sorry, sorry.
Parandahan yan eh.
Oh, this is the restaurant.
Oh, this is the one.
Okay. So, i-review natin ngayon yan. Pati pa pala ang aking microphone.
Water restaurant.
Siguro maganda dito pag summer, no?
Oh, kailangan ko...
Hey guys, so ngayon nandito tayo sa place na na featured kanina sa unang video. Water restaurant yan, ito by the lake dito sa Pickering. Yeah, i-review natin tong restaurant na kung sana okay siya, di ba? Mediterranean daw. Kaya, yeah, let's see inside. Iupo na tayo. Okay. Restaurant. Menu.
Dito na kami
Okay.
sa loob. Glory.
Okay guys, ito yung menu. So, yeah. Buksan niyo lahat. From brunch to appetizers, fish, salads, flatbreads. Yan. So, yan ang date ko ngayon tonight. Birthday girl. Di ba?
Yes, my
Isang kumparing tunay. Di ba? Tsaka ako, nakasalamin na rin. Reading glass lang, kaya okay lang. Ayan, ang menu natin. Actually guys, yeah, dumating na yung in-order nilang wine. We have the beer already.
Oh, nice. I like it. Thank you.
I will pour some more in there though. Sure.
Yeah, yung beer.
Thank you.
Saka yung wine na in-order namin. It's Chilean wine. So it's all good.
Thank you.
You're very welcome.
Oh, she's pouring it. So, yun ang appetizer namin. Okay? Hindi lang. Joke lang. In-order kami ng appetizer. Tapos maya-maya. So, yeah. Ito yung wine na in-order nila. Girls. Yan. To start off. Diba?
Cheers tayo.
Oh, cheers.
Tuning, happy birthday.
Happy na birthday
Birthday pa. Okay guys, ngayon dumating na ang appetizer.
Chicken wings.
Chicken wings yung appetizer namin. Ngayon, may isa pa. Crab dip. Diba?
Nakikita niyo ba yung sa pinapakita?
Para dito.
Ano, ready ka na? Okay. Pag-umuya kita ha.
Okay guys, so ito yung second appetizer namin, crab dip. Yan. Yung kanina sabi ko, yan. Chicken wings sa gochujang. Okay. Enjoy.
Thank you, Lord, for this food that we're going to.
Yeah, thank you. Okay natin ngayon.
You want me to explain it?
No, it's okay. I'll put some on my bread. Ano pala? Ano, how is it? No pinansin. DC. Pare, how is it?
now?
Wow! Mapapawo ka ba?
Maharap yung
Oh,
dip.
birthday girl, ano, how is it?
I like the dip.
Okay, ikaw?
But the chicken wings is like with soy
Yeah,
sauce.
Korean yun eh, oh. Have a bite. Oh.
Have you guys ever been to ano? Fishman Lobster?
Hindi pa.
Fishman. Fishman, di ba?
Sarap.
Alam.
Sarap siya.
Yung pinunta natin,
Mga sa kami.
Okay guys, ngayon, tatayin natin tong chicken wings. It's gochujang.
Jumbo Lobster.
Gochujang chicken wings.
Naman niya.
Yan, oh.
Richmond Hill. You should try that.
Bite.
Surrounded with crabs, lobsters, and everything. And then the other side is all steaks. Eight steaks.
Lambot.
Alat ano?
Medyo maalat nga, pero masarap sa kanin yan. Yung chicken wings.
Ito, chicken wings.
Malakas ka pa rin sa kanin, eh?
Alright guys, ito dumating yung aming main course. So, I've got bacon, barbecue bacon burger. Got, okay, and she's got New York steak.
New York steak.
Yeah. Alright.
Sa akin.
Ano sa'yo pare?
Ribeye.
Ay, oh.
Oh. Pati tayo.
Hindi, ngipin ko kaya eh. Masakit na ang ngipin ko eh.
Ipin mo.
Pahingin ko
Galing
muna.
ba sa dentista?
Oo, dentita. Kaya ano. Alright, so ngayon, magmumukbang style tayo, di ba? Ngayon, natin kung gaano kasarap to.
Ilagay lang.
Hindi na ako na, okay lang. Okay, digin guys.
Sige. Picture kaya muna tayo. Dahil magpapicture tayo, wala.
Kung fries?
Ito, dito. Thank you.
Perfect, yeah.
Please do me a favor. Can you take a picture of us, please?
Okay. Picture muna kami. Alright. Sarap, oh. Alright.
Roger, come water, please. Thank you. You can take a video too, please. Just quick. Yes. How do you want to do the video? Just like that, like that.
Yeah.
Thank you. And then picture
Take a
of
video
next
too,
to-
you do, right? If you don't mind, right?
Jet, look. Thank you
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Enjoy, guys.
Thank you very much.
I'm gonna take a picture with you.
Okay.
Wow, it's nice.
By the way guys, yun ang waiters namin. Ang pangalan ng waiters namin, Jayden?
Can you take a picture of us?
Anong pangalan?
Jayden? Oh, Jayden, yung nag-ano sa atin, nag-picture. Ayan, oh. Sila naman dala ngayon, picture. Bago kumain eh, no? Picture muna, na yung seremonya. O, baliktad.
Ganyan ang gusto niya eh. Thank
Okay.
you.
Oh, mukbang tayo guys.
This is pepper. Yeah, I know. How much would you like? Hindi pala hindi namin hinati. Akan? Sabi ko sa'yo.
Maliit nga. Kulang sa amin yan.
It's only good for one person.
Paano kakainin tong burger na to?
Yes, please. More.
Oh my God, G.
Bon appetit.
Thank you very much. Okay, kain lang kayo.
Bon appetit.
Hindi ko alam kung paano kakainin tong burger.
Try it.
Kahit siyang malaki. Mm.
54 today.
54.
Do I look 54? I look 53.
Hindi naman. 53, tapos birthday mo ngayon.
43.
Oh, yan. First bite. Mm. Okay. Yan kung makakaya ko ng ano, have a bite. One big bite. Okay, you guys.
Ang sarap.
Hmm?
Oh, you have to try this. So good.
Mukbang siya.
You have to live life for the fullest.
Okay siya. Okay, you guys, time out muna. Kaya ko makapag-mukbang, so... Okay, mami ha. Okay. Ayan, bro. First bite niya.
Okay, first bite. Kain tayo.
Okay. Okay guys, ngayon tapos na kami kumain.
Loob. Oh, hindi ko na kaya.
Natapos niya yung kanyang pasta and then kinain pa rin yung burger. Hindi, joke lang. Ayoko na kasi, I'm so full. Pero
Save you.
sa pagkain nila. Ito, sining yung birthday girl, I still working on it. Malay pa kasi maganda yung kwentuhan kanina kaya hindi nakakain. So yun naman, last 2 bites. Everything good. Thank you.
Hindi na naman ang boat.
So yeah. Alright.
Honey, can you make it? Like, please. 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to me. 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday
Happy
to you.
birthday to you.
You wish. Haba ng wish ah. There you go. Girl. All right.
I want to blow it like that. That's our pistachio for cheesecake, okay? Thank you
Perfect. Thank you very much. Yeah.
Thank you.
All right.
Let's open it.
Okay, birthday present.
Ay, akala ko birthday.
Complimentary
I'm
cake
expecting for something for the Philippines.
from the house. So, yeah.
Thank you. What is this? Open na.
Just open it.
Sa small lang na lang.
So cute. Oh my God. Wow. Oh my God, baby.
Ba't N? Dapat L. Dapat L, di ba?
No, I changed my name now.
Alam niyo ba? Nag-renew kami ng passport.
I like change my name.
Nag-change ng pangalan.
I short name. Yeah.
Hindi siya nakapag-renew. Ako naka-renew.
I'm still waiting for it.
O, paano yun?
Hinihintay niya pang yung totoong pangalan na ngayon.
I have to.
Okay.
May dumating nga yung
Kasi
passport
sa
ko
work
kanina.
kasi puro ning lang eh.
Oh, okay. Tataas ngayon pare. End of the month. Tataas na yung passport. Fee.
Thank you.
Okay. Oh, let's eat the dessert.
So cute. I deserve this. I deserve this, right?
Okay. Irap guys. Ako. I'll have a bite and that's it for me. Okay. Anong cake to?
Pistachio cheesecake.
Okay. I'll have a bite.
Let me try.
Ano sabi mo?
Ito oh.
Pistaso.
Oh my God, look at this.
Pistachio cake. Oh.
I love it. Thank you. My friend gave me this. The other day.
Smooth siya ha.
Good? Try it. She gave me one with my name
Sarap.
in it.
Ito naman.
But
This one.
I'm allergic to it.
Oops, sorry. Okay, that's it. That's it for me.
What is this?
Okay, ano itong cake na to? Parang brownie.
So good.
Pistaso cheesecake.
Okay. Sarap.
Pistachio cheesecake. This one.
Oh, may
This one
pait.
is
May pait sa dulo. Parang yung brownies. Ayan, di ba?
brownies.
Yeah. Ano ko siya? Ay, yung dessert namin, no? Just like the cakes. Tara, hindi kasama yan. Okay, time for us to leave. Pinagtatabuyan na kami. So, yeah. Everyone ate here. Water by the lake sa Pickering. So, all good.
Oh, good.
Yeah. Alright. Have a good night. Bye. Alright, foggy.
Makakapaglakad sa shore. Kung
Ah, wala na. Madilim na, pare. Tsaka foggy. Foggy pa rin, no? Okay. Okay. Ay. Busog masyado. So, yeah. I-review lang natin yung kinain natin tonight. Ano ko lang, medyo maalat yung mga pagkain nila. Burgers, pasta. Tapos sumablay pa yung mga steak ng ni Ning tsaka ni Eugene. Dapat medium rare, nabigyan nila medium. Pero pinunta naman nila agad-agad. Tapos yung cake nila na complimentary, okay naman. Yung brownie medyo mapait, pero yung isang cake na... Ano yung cake na isa? Pistachio cheesecake, yeah. Okay siya, smooth, matamis, kaya okay siya. Pwede na rin. Na kayo kumain dito. Gusto niyo lang. Pero yeah, yun ang aking opinion. So, picture time. Magkasawa. Still foggy. Yan. Okay. Kita tayo sa bahay.
Ito mo, ito, residential to sa may left mo.
Wow.
Sa may right
This is
mo,
a cute
residential business.
neighborhood.
Sa baba, business. Sa taas, residential.
Mukhang talagang ikaw ang mayor dito, ah.
Ito sa may sulok na to. Dito ako nagpapagupit.
Ah.
Ito.
Oh, wow.
Sino?
Oh, yan, hair
Say
dome.
hair dome.
May hair something dun eh.
Hindi, tama. Yun.
Oh.
Paano ka nakapagpagupit doon? Paano
Kaya
napagupit mo na?
Timothy.
Oh, dito ba yun?